So moving on, we'll be adding the applicants for this proposal. If you're logged into Pure as the applicant, your name and department will be populated automatically. If you're also part of a departmental research group or other type of grouping, for example, CAG or VRC, these will also be included. If you're not logged in as the applicant, the name can then be added by clicking on the Add Person button. You can then type the beginning of the surname to bring up a list of candidates. In this window, we can set the role of the person that we are adding and any affiliations which are relevant to the application. Finally, we click on the blue Create button. The person is then added to the proposal. Any affiliations which are irrelevant to the application can be removed by clicking on the minus button on the side here. People can also be removed from applications by clicking on the minus button at the top. If external applicants' names have not been found, they can be added by clicking on Add Person and then selecting Create External Person. You must then type in their first and last name and select their role as primary investigator or as co-investigator. Next, you can add the organizational unit. This can be done by clicking on the Add Organizational Unit button and using the search function. Use the search option to add the external organization name because many external organizations will have existing records in Pure. Only use the Create External Organization option if the name is not found in Pure. The Managing Organizational Unit should be the one which is involved with the approval process for the application. The Managing Organizational Unit field will normally self-populate based on the department of the first internal applicant added. So make sure that the organization is a department and not a manually added research group or CAG. If it needs to be changed, click the Change Organization button and start to type its name until it appears and can be selected. Moving on, we move to the Collaborative Partners. The field defaults to No, but if there are partners to add, then click Yes, and then click to Add a Collaborator. Like before, use the search option to find an external organization, as the majority of these will already have an entry in Pure. Only use the Create External Organization button if you're certain that the name is not available in Pure. So we type in here, and then we select the appropriate option. After adding the collaborating organization, we can choose from this drop-down menu whether they are a joint applicant, an academic institution, or a collaborating partner, an industry partner. King's College London will be shown as the lead partner by default. If this is not the case, you can change this by clicking on the button Mark as Lead. If you want to remove a collaborative partner, you can click on this minus button on the side.